All right, you guys, what it do, what it do, what it freaking do. Your boy is back on the grind. One more time, your boy is back at it again, you guys, and I'm on a mission. So this intro is not going to be very long, but I'm just going to flip this camera around and get to work because I'm on a time crunch, as always, but I just want to get some work done. So I thought I would just take you guys along with me. So with that being said, I'm just going to put the camera up and just talk to you while I work. But I wanted to get another video out to you guys and show you show you these things. Now, these might not be everybody's cup of tea, but that's okay because everybody having their own style and way of doing things, especially when it comes to these car builds, are a glorious thing, let's just say. So anyways, this is a video where I'm going to be putting on at least two of the wheels. One I'll probably do on camera. The other one I'm not quite sure yet. Just depends on how much room I have over there. But you guys are going to see kind of the unveiling of it all. If it is dry, I might back this thing up, but I'm not sure. Meaning like if it's not raining. I'm going to install these wheels. First I want to flip the camera around and show you guys what they look like. I got two of them clean right now because I'm going to put them on the passenger side here along with these emblems. And well, the emblems, some of the emblems are already on. There's some tape on the side of the car too, so disregard the tape because that was for me to kind of line things up. But anyways, you guys, enough with the talking. Flip this camera around, show you guys what's up. If you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing. Y'all hit the notification bell, all the good stuff. Y'all Mr. 23 in the building. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, you guys, you ready for this? Ooh, look at that paint glistening. You can see me perfectly. And this is gray paint, you guys. Typically, it's like black paint. You can see a awesome reflection, but look at this. Look at this. Ah. Anyways, you guys, let me flip this camera around and show you guys what it do, what it do, what it do. Look at those mother effing wheels and the reflection. Bow! Bow! Here we go, you guys. These are the wheels that I'm going with. They are all gold, cross-lace spokes. Here they go right here. Get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Fresh gold out the mother effing box. Went with some Vogues, and I haven't really seen nobody with the blue. So I always see the gold, which I actually have on my 90s Cutlass, and then you see the red, but you don't really see the blue too much out there. So that's why I wanted to go with it for a number of good reasons. Because one, the heavy metallic in here has actually a lot of blue heavy metallic pearl in it as well too, along with some other colors. And then also too, there is blue tied into the emblem right here. See that? And then there's also blue inside of the crest. Now that's a darker blue, but this blue here and this emblem here is a repop. So the blue isn't as I would say dark as that one because that's an original piece, but anyways, it all goes together and that's why I wanted it. And I think in the sunlight too, it'll just pop and complement the wheels and the paint all together, and it'll make it look super dope, you guys. But I think it'll go good together, especially when it's on the car. So we'll see here shortly because I'm gonna put one of these wheels on the car right now. So anyways, y'all, let me go ahead and do that right now, and then I'll chime back in here in a moment. Oh, come on. All right. This one off. Put it out here. All right, I gotta find some lug nuts, which I think these are them. Yeah, that should be it. All right, so if you guys have never put true spoke wheels on, this is how they go on. There's an adapter, which is this right here. The adapter usually comes in a range of sizes. I think this is 4.5 by 5 and 4 3/4 and then 5. So 3 different sizes to be able to fit whatever you have. Now this is my spinner. I am losing my mind, y'all. Losing my mind. So the adapters are held on obviously by the lug nuts. Alrighty. Okay. And then I usually just torque these down. I think this calls for like 80-ish foot-pounds. Now, I'm just going to verify that this spins. Now, these are specific to one side, so I learned that there's 2 red ones and 2 white ones that come in the box. I learned that the red ones go on the right side, the passenger side of the car. The white ones go on the left side of the car, or excuse me, the driver's side of the car. So reason being is because when the wheels are spinning forward, because you're driving forward, these spinners right here can actually come loose just from the centrifugal rotation and force of the wheels spinning at high speeds. And so if it's spinning forward, then these can actually go forward and then eventually come off. So this should not spin on this way. It should actually go on the other way, like that. Yeah. Ooh-wee. Now I still got to put the trim on, so I might have to take this back off. But I'm just so excited to see what these look like. So these adapters have teeth on them, and then the back of this wheel also has teeth. So you have to make sure that those teeth are engaged with each other so the wheel doesn't spin. And then this is kind of a pain. Is just use this here with a rag and just kind of beat it down so it's snug. Kind of more than snug, just secure. Really excited to see what these things look like on. man. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all, take a look at those wheels. Oh, man. Ugh. Get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. Wow. Here, let me try to see if I can zoom out a little bit. Wow. I am digging those. Ooh, man. Get in the comments, y'all. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. Oh, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, that's going to look dope. All right, y'all. Let me put this other one on, and then I'll chime back in when they're both on. All right. Are you guys ready for this? All I got to say is, and you know probably what I'm going to say if you've been following me long enough. Ooh, 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 wee. Man. Man. Man, man, man. I did it right, y'all. I did it right. Let's get it. Ooh-wee. Get in the damn comments, y'all. Let me know what you guys think. Oh boy. Man. I can only say two words, man and oh boy. And ooey. So 3. Gosh. I did it right, y'all. Get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. She is sitting right. Come on, man. With the gold? With the gold? With the gold? Mm. Come on, man. Come on. Yeah, y'all. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I did it. I did it. I'm so happy. I am so happy. If you could see my grin right now. Yes, sir. Man. Man. I have no words, y'all. I might just have to cut the video because I don't even know what to say. I have no other words. Just get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, man. I think this turned out really nice. It is coming together. It is cool and it's so rewarding when... Hold on, y'all. My wife's calling. Hold on. All right, y'all. My apologies. Wife was calling me about something. So anyways, yeah, man, just get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I forgot even my train of thought, but I think I was saying something along the lines, you know, when you have a vision and then the vision comes together and it just how rewarding it can be and make you feel, especially when you see this and you look at this and you're like, man, I'm actually doing this. I'm actually putting this thing together. So it's just really rewarding, you guys. So anyways, that's all I got to say. But yeah, get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. This side, I wanted to kind of get it all together. I still got to put the emblems on here. The emblems here. I still got to put a Regal emblem there. I still got to put the molding on here and some other things. So I kind of wanted to get a side together just so I can kind of look at the car and just see like what's it going to look like when it's all together. Still got to put an emblem on here. Still got to put the grill on, the bumper fillers. I've been waiting to put the front together because I've been having to access the headlights and some other things, and my buddy came to polish it, so I didn't want a bunch of stuff in the way if he can access some things and, you know, and get in the areas where like trim and things would cover. I just wanted him to be able to kind of access that. Plus, with the bumper on and stuff like that, there's not a whole lot of room up here in the front, and with me not really being able to move the car, it's kind of a hassle. But anyways, I really want to back this thing out, but the car being so low too, like... I mean, this is dang near touching, and if I start to turn the steering wheel, it ain't gonna turn because my finger doesn't even fit in there. So, yeah. But anyways, get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I think she looks pretty damn good. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. You guys know what to do. like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, y'all. I did it, y'all. I did it, and it's gonna keep getting better from here. All right, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, y'all. Mr. Griffin 23 in the building. I'm out of here. Deuces. Peace out.